In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if copy and paste is not working correctly or not working at all on your Windows 7 device. So this should be a fairly quick and straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in CMD. Best match on a program should say CMD. You want to right click on it, and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select yes. Now into the elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC space /scan now. So scan now should all be one word attached to that /. And then when you have it as it exactly appears on my screen, you want to hit enter on your keyboard. It should begin running a system scan, and this will take some time. I would recommend restarting your computer once the scan has finished. And then once that scan has finished as well, I'd recommend running a check disk scan. So let's say you've restarted your computer, and I'm going to type in check disk, so CHK DSK space, and now I'm going to insert my drive letter where Windows is installed on, which is the C drive, and I'll show you guys how to locate that if you're unsure. And I'll do a colon right after that immediately, which should be one down on top of the other dot, followed by another space /F, and then I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. This will begin running a check disk scan, and you're going to have to initiate that by typing the Y key on your keyboard. Once you're prompted with this, do you want to run the scan the next time your computer restarts? You want to type the Y key, hit enter. We'll check next time your computer restarts. So again, I just kind of went through a couple of different steps in this tutorial that should not be run without having a restart or a computer restart in between. So I just want to make that point pretty clear. But I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.